there's no more wing. And I got these little dinky little... What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's vlog, I have to go ahead and take these wheels off for one reason and one reason only. As you can see, these wheels are disgusting and dirty, so the whole car needs to be washed. But you can see here, I'm using these center caps. These are actually off my CE28s. I'm trading this with somebody locally. They have a set of bronze TE37s and he's gonna get them powder coated a different color. So I'm like, hey, you wanna trade with me? And you know, hopefully I can get a clean set of bronze center caps and you know, whatever. So I gotta jack the car up, get these wheels off. Hopefully we can do a trade today. I don't know if his 18-inch T37s will fit my 19-inch ones. They look the same when I saw him at a car show, so we'll see how that goes, and hopefully everything goes well. But anyway, quick update. The car pretty much looks the same. Only thing I removed was the side skirt and the fender duct, the novel one. I did rewrap this just for the time being because it did mess up the vinyl because of the double-sided tape. As you can see right there, the piece of vinyl is still stuck. Still having trouble selling these. I don't know why. I guess people are resorting to the Puerto Rican eBay one instead. These were made by my buddy Maze Runner and they fit pretty well. I also have these Icon Motorsports one. These are actually pretty damn nice, but hopefully these sell as well. But in the meantime, let's get this car jacked up, get the wheel off, and take the center caps off. Alright guys, so center cap is off and I gotta go ahead and bring it to my buddy at Blast Coatings and see if he can swap me with the bronze ones. Hopefully they're both the same size. I won't know until I get there. But as you can see, it's super ugly and I'm hoping to get the bronze ones to fill that hole up. So I'm hoping these are the same one as the bronze ones I'm picking up. Alright, camera is dying. I gotta charge that before we even go and leave the house. So gonna contact him, charge the camera, and we shall see if these are the same. Alright, so we ended up not going to my buddy's shop. He's actually in Miami, and you know, I just kind of spent the day just chilling, hanging out. But there's still more stuff to do on the S2000. I'm selling the wing, so the wing gotta come off. Honestly, I don't have any issues with the wing. It just looks kind of stupid with the car being stock height. Even with those nice beefy Bridgestone tires, I don't think this wing suits it pretty well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the screws. I'm gonna take the screws off the bases and leave the bases on the trunk and store the wing away until somebody buys it. Like I said, the car is majority stock, so I just don't think it looks that good with the wing on it. Hopefully I don't drop it, but if I do, then that's gonna really suck. So let's go. Alright, so it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, but now there's no more wing. And I got these little dinky little brackets on the back. As you can see, kind of funny looking, but I mean better than a gigantic wing for no reason at all. It's on the floor now, still looking pretty clean. This carbon fiber is phenomenal. But here's a close-up of the actual brackets for Voltex or Jay's Racing. They're pretty much the same company. Pretty clean and subtle. I really like the design of it a lot, but over time the way that it's mounted, right here in the front on the trunk, it kind of bends up. Like, just imagine all the weight pushing back. It bends this part of the trunk right here. So I'm glad I'm able to take this off before that happens. But based off what I can see it slightly lifting, but not too much. I'm pretty sure I could push that back down if anything. But man, pretty nice. So yeah, going wingless for now is one, good from reducing drag from daily driving, and two, reduces the damage from the UVs on the sun when it beats onto the carbon fiber epoxy or the clear. This is gonna just keep it looking brand new and fresh longer, and hopefully the buyer who buys it can see that it's pretty much in mint condition. So for the time being, I'm just gonna ride around with these funny little brackets, and hopefully it'll be okay. Hardtop is still looking nice and clean, as you can see. Putting some stickers back here. I wasn't gonna plan to put stickers back here, but I mean, here we are today. Pico gave me that HP Logic decal representing. You can see the KG on the back inside the car, and strictly authentic. Trying to rep all authentic parts from here on out. Can't say the same for this car, besides the diffuser, but everything else is replica, unfortunately. But we're gonna see you go to a good home, hopefully. That was my offer up. Anyways, I'm still enjoying this car. I'm dailying it every day, and this car is, I'm not driving it as much, just trying to keep the miles really low, even though it's not. Still rides like a champ, but we'll see what happens to this car. Right now I'm really hoping things move forward from this point on. I'm glad to be vlogging every single day, just because I really enjoy it and keep you guys up to date on what's going on, if you guys even care. But anyway, ending the video now. See you guys tomorrow, and hopefully there's more entertainment. So peace. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you forget that, you're missing the whole point. All right, share this channel with your friends, post me up, whatever. Give me some love. Peace.